Hello guys, thank you so much for coming out to my YouTube channel, and today we are discussing this chair right here. Do you guys have a problem with a chair that has a pet stain, pet hair, all the yaka kaka maka stuff on the stain on this couch that I'm sitting on? Well, I have a special process for you. I want to show you guys how to do a clean so that your old chair look like a brand new chair again with sanitized, clean smell, and all that process. So let's go right into that process right now. Boom, boom. I have a spray tank right here, and in here it has an enzyme base. It has oil-free release, as well as the odor and sanitation and all that stuff in here. Okay, so I'm going to pre-treat this on the two chairs here. I'm going to spray this and let it sit there for 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-treat this by spraying 6 inches away and go like this. Okay, and this will allow to have all the stains and whatever stuff is on the fabric. It will help release it, and I'm going to let it sit there for 5 minutes to let it do enzyme and any other. Oh, there's a booger right there, and any other things to help release it. So when I actually clean it, it will release all that stuff. The machine for the I'm using is this one, and it's called the Rotovac, and this is the machine I use. I used to do carpet cleaning and auto detailing for a long time ago for my business, and so this is the machines that I have, and so with this, we're going to start cleaning those awesome yucky chair. So I have my upholstery tool here, and we're gonna go ahead and start to do a cleaning process, and I will show you guys how to do it in a way. But when I turn the machine on, it's gonna be really loud, and so I won't be able to talk to you, but I will turn the volume down when I do edit for you. But let's go ahead and start the process. Okay, so before I use the upholstery tool to clean, I forgot to use this brush, and this brush will help to agitate the heavier stain area, and so let's go ahead and do that process. So here's right here is the heavier stains and stuff. I'm just gonna hit it with this one a little bit more, not just like that, and I'm just gonna agitate it. Okay, and I'm gonna just do that on pretty much all surface like this, and this will help to release all kinds of yucky kakamaka stains everywhere on that, and this will help to secure, to make it really clean, and so yeah. Alright, so these lovely chairs is all nice and clean and sanitized and odor free, and turned out really awesome as heck. I cannot believe how well it turned out. And so we're just gonna let it sit and dry, and once it's dry, we're gonna put it in the house and show you the decoration. Alright guys, this is a dirty water can from the 2 chairs I just cleaned. Isn't that a little bit yucky or not? And for me to clean the 2 chairs, I have used this one. It's called a Diamond Liquid Alive, and it has an enzyme base producing bacteria that eliminates the waste and other things like that to make him to clean stay. And I also use just called the Hot Shot Professional Spot and Stain Remover for good for upholsteries and carpets and rugs. So what you guys think, guys? Didn't it? These two chairs right here just turned out to be such an awesome. Look at how well it's clean, and it looks like a brand new chair just came off of a showroom. That's how clean it is. I mean, it smells so good and looks good. And really, I don't smell any odor whatsoever. And remember the guys, I showed you a bucket of how dirty brown it is? It came out from that chair and this chair. Oh my goodness. Almost look like a chocolate milk. Ugh. So anyways, if you guys are wondering if you guys can be able to rent a machine that of the same things that what I have, yes you can. You can go to most of the the cleaning supply store in your local area do carry those type of machine, and they generally rent out from 50 to 80 bucks. Depends on which state and whatever you are. And usually you can rent it for a whole entire day. So really, if you can rent it for a whole entire day, you can do this, you can do this, you can do rugs, you can do carpet, you can do whatever you want to clean on the fabric of that. Yeah, so why not take advantage of that? Do not get it from the grocery store, because you know why? Because those machines sucks. They charge you a lot and they're puny, and guess what? When you use it, all it does is basically soaks the whole chair with water and doesn't have enough suction power or inject power enough to get the dirties and grunts and all that stuff out of there. So this video is not meant for me to show off on what I can do and stuff, but basically I just want to show you the chairs that, you know, has a lot of stains, things like that, has a lot of can make it like exciting. Whoa! Yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching until end.